It's unrealistic. I can't believe this kind of a perfume exists. What is up, Fragrance family? This is your boy, Amoy Piranyan. My name is Armin. Welcome back again on another episode dito sa channel ko po. So for today's episode, we're going to talk about a designer fragrance which is already discontinued and it was released 2010. And this is female targeted fragrance. We're going to talk about Womanity by Thierry Mugler. So this is a vintage formulation that I own, and this is Eau de Parfum concentration, and it's EDP, 80 ml lang siya. Okay? So makikita nyo juice pa lang, dark na siya. It's already aged properly, and it's potent. Yeah, that's what you heard. Potent. So basic lang tong scent na to. 3 notes lang ang nakalagay sa composition sa bote niya mismo. It's fig, it's caviar, and also fig wood. So what do I get from this one sa skin ko? I do get a very creamy, milky fig sa umpisa pa lang. Sobrang sarap na and you will be shocked. You will be surprised how good this is. How niche quality itong ginawa nila sa Womanity. And after that, you will feel the caviar note. It's quite giving you the texture of parang thick, sticky, at the same time, mouth-watery. At may pagka-watery feel siya. Parang ozonic aquatic feel yung pagka-caviar note niya dito. You will get that strawberry accord. It feels like parang, wow, very juicy din at the same time. And you will get that lemonade feel. Parang it gives you that freshness effect. And at the same time, you will feel here yung pagka-ozonic, pagka-aquatic feel niya. It feels like parang you're traveling inside the sea with Little Mermaids. Wow! Or let's say, seahorses. Okay? Ganun yung epekto nitong pabango na to. And dito rin pumapasok yung pagka may parang sweetness kayong maaamoy sa composition ng Womanity, the vintage formulation. You will get that parang texture ng parang caramel. It's thick, it's gooey, but at the same time, medyo parang airy siya. So, hindi siya masakit, hindi rin siya sakloying as long as you don't overspray etong pabango na to. If you overspray this one, more than 6 or more than 7 sprays, you will choke yourself out kasi this is really potent. It's strong, okay? It's powerful. So after that, you will get that parang texture na it's quite linear. You will get that parang gourmand / fruity / woody / aquatic. There are so many facets going on this composition. For me, ito yung klaseng scent na it could be in a parang Tom Ford private blend line. It could be in an expensive, let's say, Clive Christian. It could be on an expensive line ng Dior. It could be on expensive brands out there na mga sobrang 20,000, 30,000 pesos. But imagine that they created this quiet, quality niche fragrance in a designer pattern. That's why sinasabi ko sa inyo, you go hunt down the vintage designer fragrances. Ngayon, yung mga designer fragrances, sa totoo lang, wala nang kwenta. This is really worth it. So, ito yung klaseng fragrance na try to imagine you're entering in a different world under the water. Sa mga under the water dyan, yung mga nagda-dive, mga scuba divers, for sure they know what kind of a creatures they see pag nag-i-scuba diving sila. Ito yung klaseng scent na it will give you that parang emotions. It will give you that parang may kasama kang parang something creature. Yes, nakakatakot, but it's weird. It gives you that parang seahorses, it gives you that parang kasama mo si Little Mermaid. Ganon yung feel nitong pabango na to. It feels unique at the same time it's weird. Don't forget to check this one out. I would rate this one as 10 out of 10 fragrance. For the bottle, for the juice, everything, it's artistic. The design, the juice, the sprayer, it's top notch. The performance of this one, you wanna know the performance? It's outstanding. Let's not talk about the performance kasi this is beast mode. Projection, longevity is huge. It's insane. Till next time, Fragrance family, love you all. And let me know in the comment section down below, have you tried this fragrance or what kind of a perfume, unique scent that you have from your wardrobe? Let me know in the comment section.